Experiencing a frozen screen or glitchy apps on your Polestar 2's infotainment system? A quick reboot is your first and easiest solution. Think of it like restarting your phone. First, park your Polestar 2 in a safe location. Then, press and hold the power button, located either on the steering wheel or the touchscreen itself, for about 3 to 5 seconds. The screen will go black. Release the button and wait for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. The system will automatically restart, refreshing the operating system without erasing any personal data or settings. This process typically takes less than a minute and resolves most minor software hiccups, getting you back on the road quickly. If a quick reboot doesn't solve the issue, or if you're preparing to sell your Polestar 2, a factory reset might be necessary. Be aware, this will erase all personal data, apps, and settings, restoring the system to its original factory state. To perform a factory reset, first, access the settings menu on the touchscreen by tapping the gear icon. Next, navigate to System, then Reset Options, and finally select Factory Reset. You'll likely be prompted to confirm your decision, possibly requiring your vehicle's PIN. The reset process can take between 5 to 10 minutes. Once complete, the system will guide you through the initial setup as if you were starting the car for the first time. Remember to back up any important data via the Polestar app or Cloud Sync before initiating a factory reset, as this process is irreversible.